Yeah. Once again, I welcome you all to today's Snowflake DBT and ADF introduction session. Yeah. So before starting the session, I'll just take 2 to 3 minutes to introduce our social media platforms. Then we'll start the session. Yeah. So this is our YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel. So we have a YouTube channel called Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training. So we have almost 35.5K subscribers, and we have uploaded almost 380 plus videos here. Okay, so in these channel, you can find out many videos related to Salesforce, SAP, Informatica Cloud, Kids Coding, Informatica Power Center, Snowflake. Okay, so DBT, ADF, cybersecurity, Power BI. Okay, so many useful videos are available here. Okay, so if you like them, if you like the content, just give like, comment on the videos, and subscribe to our channel so that you'll get all the updates. When you subscribe to our channel, you'll get all the updates. Whatever the videos we are uploading here, you will be notified. I'm just sharing the link with you in the chat box. Please subscribe to our channel so that you'll get all the updates here. Yeah, I have shared the link. You can just click on the link and you can subscribe the channel. And we have an Instagram handle as well. So where we provide all the placement information. That means where the job openings are available today. So on which technology we have a huge openings referrals, each and everything we will be mentioning on our Instagram page actually. Okay. So this is our Instagram handle. This is our Instagram handle, Raz Informatica. So we have 2,916 followers. Okay, so just follow this page. You will get all the job updates in our stories. And there will be a separate highlights as well. You can check out here. So job openings. In these job openings highlights, we will be posting all the openings as well. I'm sharing the Instagram profile link as well. Just follow our Instagram so that you will get all the updates from our Instagram as well. So finally, this is our website. So we have a website called razinformatica.com. Okay. So in our website, you can check out all the courses what we are offering here. Just scroll down, just scroll down. So you can check out here software trainings we offer. Okay. So SAP, S4 HANA and FICO, Salesforce, cybersecurity, Azure data engineering and Databricks, AWS and DevOps, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud ISS IDMC, GCP, Microsoft Power BI, Kids Coding. This Kids Coding is for 6th standard to 12th standard people. Okay. So Python full stack training, Python for AI and ChatGPT, Tableau. So these are our few courses, and we are about to launch two more courses, that is AI with ML and generative AI. Okay. So to get these updates as well, keep browsing our website so that you will get all the updates. And here we have some special section, that is upcoming free live sessions, like how you got today's session link. So in the same way, whatever the demos we do on all these courses, whatever the demos we do, whatever the introduction sessions we do, whatever the interview preparation sessions we do, all these updates will be posted here in this section, upcoming free live session section. Okay. So today is a Snowflake DBT and ADF one, and there are two more also scheduled here. So if you want to enroll for these classes as well, you can just click on join now so that you will be redirected to a form where to get the complete details of the session. You can just give your name, mobile number and mail ID, and you can just submit the form so that you will get all the details to your mail. Okay. Yes. So without wasting time, I'm just giving a 30-second break so that you people can post your name and WhatsApp number. Okay. Share your name and WhatsApp number so that we will be starting the session. So after providing your name and WhatsApp number, my team will be adding you to the Snowflake DBT and ADF real-time project session. And also, so we will be sharing today's session link as well. Okay. So today's session a complete video recording will be shared with you if you share the name and WhatsApp number in the chat box. Let's take a sharp 30-second break. Okay. And please provide your name and WhatsApp number. Yeah, thanks for sharing. Yes, yes, yes. See, if you are from a different country, please mention with country code as well. Yeah, I got 2 to 3 numbers already, like without country code. Okay. So when you're sharing your number, please share with the country code if you are from out of India. Yeah. So please stop writing on my screen. Yes. Yeah, if you need more time, let me know. I have received, yeah, Glenn, I have received your number. Thank you. I have received with country code, not a problem. Yes. So if you still not yet posted, you can just like post your name and WhatsApp number. You'll get all the details here. Okay. Yes. So I am just like handovering the session to our trainer, Sai Sri Garu. Okay. So Sai Sri Garu, please take over from here. Yeah, I'll be in the session. Don't worry. I'll be in the session. Please share your contact number. Yes. Sai Sri Garu, are you available? Yeah, thank you all for sharing your contacts. So still you have option to share your contacts. Okay. Yeah, Sai Sugar, over to you. Thank you. Guys, sorry, I missed to update one more thing as well. So just to stay connected till end of the session. Okay. You are going to get the best price of this course. Okay. So there is some special offer is available for you. If you can stay connected till end of the session, you are going to know about this special offer as well. Okay. Yes. Thank you all. Yes.
Hi everyone, good evening. Thanks for joining the session. So from here onwards, I will handle the technical part. So this is Sai Sri from RajCloud Technology. I have overall 10 plus years of experience in IT. In trainings also from past 5 plus years, I am going with the Snowflake trainings. Pure the Snowflake trainings, sorry. Purely I'm working on Snowflake trainings from past 5 years. So my background is I came from big data technology. Later on, I moved completely to Snowflake as a Snowflake developer position, and right now I'm working as a lead position in my company. So this is about my profile. And coming to these classes, guys, before going to technical part, okay, I want to say clearly here, I'm going to teach you each and every topic practically. Each and every topic. You take time travel. I think you already have my course content in the website. You can check there. Any topic, we are going with the practical sessions. Only one or two topics because that is theoretical topics. That's the reason one or two, and maximum two topics are there theoretically. So those topics I will go theoretically. In that one is architecture, in any technology architecture, we have to go with the theory only maximum. So I'm also following the same. So only 2 topics you will see the theoretical classes. Remaining all will be very practical sessions. Okay, you no need to have any doubt like it will be help me to crack the interview or not. As per my, if you go with my feedbacks, whatever the students provided to us, according to that, every student is cracking their own interview by their own, and also they're working. They're not taking any support from anyone. Okay, so you will be able to handle the project once you completed my training and you joined in your new position. 100% you will be able to handle your this training. If you want, I'll bring the persons. I mean, already my old students are there. They will also join in the next session and they will give feedback to you. Okay, no need to worry on that. And next thing, we will provide all the materials to you, recordings to you on regular basis, not like weekend like that. Every day, once I completed my session, immediately you will get your material and recording session from my admin team. Okay, this is the things what I have to explain you initially. And also, many people will have doubts like after this training, you'll support for interview guidance or resume preparation or any other career guidance. See, guys, until you are saying okay, I'm ready to go for interview. Before that, whatever the steps is there, it may be career gap related guidance, career change related guidance, or a resume preparation guidance, whatever it may be. Your any issue related to technical, I mean job related, any issue I am going to handle. You no need to worry on that. If you have less experience, like minimum 2 years experience or maximum 10 years experience, any kind of profile I am able to handle. Already I handled and they got jobs. With that confidence, I'm saying I can give one track for you based on your profile issues. Okay, that is next thing. So, and one more thing, I don't have any background, Sai Sri. This is very new to me. IT is new to me, or this technology is new to me. Any cases I'm saying, not only IT is new to you or technically this concept is new to you. Any combination of people who is coming from non-IT background, who is coming from IT background with a different technology, who don't have who have zero experience on companies, means they didn't join anywhere till now in their career. Fresher, as a like fresher, they have gap, our career gap is there, but they didn't work anywhere. They prepared for government exams or so on issues. Okay, those kind of profile, any kind of profile, if you are any kind of profile it may be, you will be able to catch my classes because I am going from scratch. That is the good thing going to happen in my session. Every batch you can check, every batch will give this feedback. I am going very scratch level. Okay, for the you want SQL for this, even I will also work with the SQL in my training time, but still, our team will provide you SQL classes also. I think Karthik will discuss more about that. They will provide the SQL classes to you. You have to complete if you have zero knowledge on SQL. No, Sai Sri, apart from that classes, I need more guidance on that. Means connect with me. I will help you to, based on your questions, I'll give guidance. Okay. So only SQL, if you don't know, learn from today. If you know, brush up the concepts. That's it. And coming to Snowflake, I am Snowflake purely, Snowflake, ADF, Snowflake, DBT, AWS, Azure. This all concepts I am going to cover. Okay. So whatever required for your for the Snowflake developer position, everything I am going to cover. You no need to take care anything from your side. I am there to cover handle all these things. Okay. So this is the information I thought to give initially, and once I completed my sessions, not today only, every session, if you want, check with any student of my old students, even recent batch 10th also, you can check any with anyone. After completing my class every day, I will give access for your, you can unmute yourself and you can ask your doubts. I'm completely ready to clear all your doubts. Okay. Without completing your doubts, I never end the session. If it is take extra 10 minutes or 20 minutes also, I'm ready to spend. That already happened in my sessions. Previous batches, based on their questions, I used to extend my hours also. I mean, training hour. Okay. So you no need to worry. End to end, I am going to handle. So entire technical part is totally covered by me, right? So I have that flexibility to extend my classes also. No need to worry on this. Okay. Okay, fine. Let us come to today's section. You all here to understand what is Snowflake. Actually, before going to Snowflake, why Snowflake came into the market? What is the benefit of that? Okay. Before that question also, why Snowflake? Just why Snowflake means Generally, guys, if we go with any company, okay, for example, e-commerce company, everybody are using e-commerce now, right? Maybe Myntra, maybe Amazon, Flipkart, and also Zomato, anything. You can take any e-commerce now. Zomato is a food service, sorry. Any kind of online services, I'm saying. If you take if you take Amazon as an example, in Amazon, how they are suggesting, if you search for one product, okay, if you see one reel in your Instagram related to that product also, anything, something happened, some searches happen on your Google, at least about that case, immediately it will populate that product related, what will say, promotions, right? Advertisement. 100% this will happen to everyone. Okay, example, if you take Zomato also, if you're searching for biryani or something else, immediately you'll get notification on regular basis. If any offers is there, something you'll get. Why you are getting this offers, all this? Why this is happening? If it is a food business or if it is a e-commerce business, because they are tracking our data, right? Actually, we only providing the data to our business people. Business is not providing. We only providing data with our search information or something else. Okay, by seeing our Instagram reels, YouTube search, Google search, something we are doing automatically that is going as a search or date as a data to that particular online services, and they are coming with their new products, related products with the new promotions, right? So finally, here we are talking about data. Okay, so data. So if you want to, for example, one Amazon product is there, for example, one mobile, okay, that mobile will be will have some promotions and someone will purchase, okay, or else you will also search for the futures, okay, what is the iPhone cost, so on, latest the launch happen, so all that iPhone related. So automatically what is happening, Amazon started giving notification about that iPhone, right? That is nothing but notification, is nothing but promotion only. This is a regular thing what happening in our lifestyle, right? So whenever the promotion is coming, automatically how the promotion is coming, not only iPhone, go with the Samsung or Redmi, Realme, so many mobiles are there. How Amazon knows that this product have more followers, more people are searching for this product. This product have less star rating and negative feedback, positive feedback. How it knows and how it is populating advertisements to us, because it is performing the analytics on top of data. What is happening? Analytics. Okay, if you keep one normal shop, okay, where you will get food related items, okay, some normal shop, small shop, there also that shop person will observe a lot which product these customers are had taking from the shop, curd or milk packet or tea powder or something. He will notice that, based on the analysis, he will take more products, more different brand related products he will bring to his shop. See, normal shop, very small shop also doing some analytics on their customers, right? Based on their mindset, how much cost they are, I mean, what kind of cost they are expecting for the product. 2 rupees tea powder or 5 rupees tea powder, something will be there, right? Based on the analysis, if they will bring their products to the shop. So if you observe, it's a small shop also, they're depending on customers' requirement analytics. If it is a e-commerce like big Amazon online shops also, services also, they're depending on analytics. So who will do this analytics? That is the point here. Previously, sorry, uh, actually data warehouse will work with this data warehouse. Okay, in this data warehouse, we have so many Teradata, Informatica, like the so many technologies are there. But recently, based on the cloud platform, pure cloud platform, Snowflake came into the picture. So now Snowflake is what? It's a data warehouse concept. What Snowflake is? Snowflake Cloud Data Warehouse. Exactly, this is the full length of technology name. Snowflake Cloud Data Warehouse. Okay. So Snowflake is the cloud data warehouse which give the analytics information to us to improve our business. Okay. So SaiSri, already so many technologies are there. Why you are coming to Snowflake? You can use existing technology. See, IT always will expect some upgrade from the technology side also. Okay, it won't follow the same. Previously, server rooms are there. I think so many people know this. In TV or in mobile also we will see one specific room will be allocated to place their servers. It is a physical server actually. From that stage to now people came with the cloud servers. So upgrade is happening here, right? And they're making their fast decisions on the business strategies also. Like that, not only server level, even technology level, even data warehouse level also, they're coming with the new upgrade. In that new upgrade, Snowflake is one of the thing happened in the market. Okay, Snowflake is not maybe new to you today. Actually, it came in 2019 only in the market. 2021. Okay, from there onwards, Snowflake have lot of job opportunities. Before that also we have job opportunities, very less opportunities. 21 and mid of the 21, 2021 mid actually. From that time to 21 also, so many people don't know Snowflake. Very limited employees are there to work on this technology. 22 increased, 23, 24. Now gradually many people have no knowledge on Snowflake technology. At least term. If they don't know subject also, term. Okay. So it is actually older technology only, but 21 year changed the I mean changes the total Snowflake, the how the clients is saying before 21 and after 21, the total thing is changed. Okay, view is changed. So now Snowflake, what is Snowflake? It is a data warehouse concept. Simple. It is Snowflake have capability to handle the data warehouse concept to make the analytics on top of the client data, client business data. Why they want to make? Because on the because of that analytics information only, they can understand which product is performing low, how to improve that product. Which product is performing high, how to make more number of, how to increase the number of quantity by maintaining the same quality. Okay, like these people, companies will take a lot of decisions on each and every product. If it is matchbox also, they will take care, because today it's a small matchbox only for you. If 1 million people purchase that same matchbox, means a lot of money they will get you, right? Generally. So every single product, what demand we have, where we have to improve the product quality, this all manually no person can do analysis. Only technically by using the data warehouse concepts, we are able to handle this analytics in the market. Now I hope you understood why Snowflake came into the market. Okay. So Snowflake is only able to do warehouses? No, not only that. It can store the data and also store the data. It have capability to store the data. On top of that the data, it can perform the warehouse concept. The final output again it can store back to the same storage layer. Okay, so you'll have raw data, you'll have analytics final data also. Finally, this is the way why Snowflake is happening a lot of, I mean, having a lot of requirements, because already all are normal technologies. Snowflake is pure cloud technology. No need to install anything, no need to set up anything. Very pure cloud technology. That is the reason easy to manage. Lot of benefits are there. Because of that benefits, people are coming with Snowflake. Here, we are as an employee, we are not deciding Snowflake is the top technology. Actually, our customer who is client to us, he is deciding, yes, Snowflake is doing wonders in the market, we should go with the Snowflake. So decision makers are our clients. We are using the technology, and as per our client requirements and requests, we are performing the data. That's it. So finally, clients impressed with this technology. Okay, we no need to break our heads to impress them. Already they impressed. Many projects are working on this technology with the combination of Snowflake technology. Now, then SaiSri, Snowflake is already popular. Where you are using DBT, where you are using AWS, where you are using Azure. This is the next question from everyone, right? Just a minute. Yeah. So Snowflake is one main key topic here, key technology. Along with the Snowflake, for advanced concept, I am using the DBT for transformation. So DBT is nothing but data build tool. This is the full form of DBT. Okay. So mainly on top of Snowflake data for the advanced features, advanced concept implementation, DBT also cloud technology only. So on top of Snowflake data, we are using the DBT for transformation. So DBT don't have any storage layer means no. DBT don't have any capability to store the data. On top of Snowflake only, it will depend and it will do transformations. Who don't know what is transformation keyword? Guys, here transformation is nothing but suppose joining the product table, joining the sales table, understanding how many products are sold for today, what is the amount we gained today from today business. So that combination of work we will call as a transformations. Who don't know transformation keyword, I'm saying for them, just joining multiple tables, applying multiple SQL concepts and getting final output as per requirement. Okay, that is called transformation. And then why you are using AWS, Sai Sri? Then both are cloud. We done with our work. Yes, we done with our work. That AWS will in our training we will use AWS as a source. So AWS to source 1 minute. Yeah. So how it will happen means data will come from AWS to Snowflake, Snowflake to DBT. Again, once the transformation is performed, then again it will store back to Snowflake. Same way Azure also in AWS I'm going to cover S3 bucket, policy, roles. This is enough. This is a real-time exposure pipeline only, guys. Nothing I tried my own, everything real-time process only. Same way, how I am doing here, same way for Azure also, ADF will come into the picture and that will copy the data into Snowflake again, DBT and Snowflake. This is the reason why I'm going with the Azure and AWS. So AWS and Azure will all completely work as a source part. Okay. In ADF, what you will cover means I will cover the activity of copy activity, like metadata, whatever required, I will cover everything. Or else delete activity like this will be there. All this activity related information I'm going to cover. Okay, I'll take care about this. You no need to worry. I will take care completely about this. Okay. So more than this, I don't want any information. Means 100% you don't need, because I will show you my real-time pipelines also with the proof. What we are executing, whatever the pipelines we are learning, is it really possible in real time or not? With the proof, I'll show in my real-time screen. No need to worry on that. Okay. This is the reason why I'm came with. Saisha, why you are going with this many? You can go with only Snowflake, right? What is the purpose? Means again, you want more, you want good companies, good package, good exposure on the Snowflake combinations, right? If you have this combination, nobody will reject your profile. If you perform well in interviews, first of all, out of 10 companies, in the worst case also 8 companies will shortlist your profile. 8 companies. Maybe there is only a few reasons to reject your profile. You are expecting more package, or your experience is not eligible to apply for that position, or your notice period issue, or your location issue. Maybe this is the problems will be created to reject your profile. Minimum 8 positions is going to accept your profile. No doubt in that. And one more thing. SaiSri, can I perform after this training? Can I do as like you means? Actually, I'm giving my own pipelines. How my profile is available in the market, how I am sharing my profile to HR, same kind of profile I'm creating for you. So if I am able to crack interview means you should be able to crack the interview. The only practice time you have to increase. Simple. Same like replicating my profile, guys. Okay. I'm not creating any fake profiles to you. How my real-time profile is this same profile I'm replicating. So it's totally in your hands after my training, how we are practicing. So let me go deep level of subject. Now, if I go with the traditional data warehouse problems, many people again doubt. Already we have traditional warehouses, Sai Sri. Why you need to cloud again? It's a very new technology, cost basis, lot of doubts you'll have. I will agree. Already we have traditional data warehouse like we will say Informatica, we will say this one Teradata, like Oracle, Redshift. So many are there already. I will agree with that. But still, people are not okay with those technologies. There are some problems. If you go with the pure traditional technologies, for example, they if you many data sources won't support to connect directly. A lot of issues you will face. For that purpose, we are facing a lot of issues to connect different sources with the traditional data warehouse. The same problem we can resolve in the Snowflake, because Snowflake have multiple ways to connect with the different technologies. 100 plus sources. Snowflake itself saying 100 plus sources Snowflake able to handle and able to connect. Maybe the models design will be changed. So each source will have different way to connect with Snowflake, but 100% there's a chance or choice to connect with the Snowflake. So whatever the issue we are facing in traditional, that is resolved in the cloud. Semi-structured data. Yes, maybe there is an issue with the semi-structured data in traditional, but in Snowflake, say structured data, semi-structured data is able to handle. I'll show you how to handle XML data, JSON, because both are semi-structured data. CSV, structured data. These three I am going to show you. So Snowflake 100% supporting to extract the data from semi-structured data files. Okay, so you no need to worry on top of that only. No problem. And traditional is not traditional data warehouse, that is sharing the data with others, other environment is not much easy. But in cloud, in Snowflake, we have data sharing concept. Other out of Snowflake, our Snowflake account, we can share with other Snowflake account also with a secured way. So sharing concept also in Snowflake it is easy comparing to the traditional. This is one part of problem we can resolve in the Snowflake. Second part, scale up and scale out. For example, today 5 queries triggered. According to that, I provided the capacity to trigger the queries. Tomorrow my queries will increase. Again, I have to handle manually in the traditional. But in Snowflake cloud technology, with a multi-clustering concept, automatically it can upgrade the things. It can increase the capacity of the capacity to run the queries. It can decrease the capacity to run the queries. Means whenever requirements come, whenever demand is there, automatically it can increase the resources, it can decrease the resources. For that, we are using multi-clustering concept that I think many people don't know. In real-time classes, I can explain you. Okay. So multi-clustering concept will help you to resolve that issues. Suppose any query is running very slowly or injecting the data slowly, for example, by using multi-clustering concept, we can add more capacity to execute the queries. So we can resolve the performance issues also. Okay, like that, many challenges, whatever we are facing in traditional, we are able to handle in the Snowflake. And complexity. See, traditional, clearly I'm saying it's a traditional data warehouse. Obviously, you want to do software setup, hardware setup, admin team should manage all the setup, lot of maintenance, this many things you have to do. But coming to Snowflake is purely software. Just one account you will create, you'll add multiple users and multiple roles. That's it. No software setup, no hardware setup. Okay. Just how you will create the Gmail ID, same like that Gmail account, how you are creating, same like that you can create the Snowflake account. So no need to worry on that part only. It's straightforward. Okay. So this issue also resolved. Because of this issue, software setup, hardware setup, and because of that complexity, we are increasing for maintaining the infrastructure only, we are adding more admin resources, means more employments for management only. So we are Snowflake is making the cost cut on that part also. Obviously, client will like this technology because of this reason also. And finally, slow, limited making decision. So the only limited queries need to run, only limited users should be there. Like this, whatever issues we are facing, all will be resolved here. And unlimited users are allowed, unlimited queries are allowed, everything unlimited. We no need to worry. Whatever you are using, you have to pay for that. Users, they won't charge you. Internally, cost management will be there automatically based on your final usage. what is the final credits you are using, storage you are using. For that, based on that only, it will take the charges for us. So cost management also very easy, very straightforward, and very open, clear to the admin team. So that's the way. In that case, also Snowflake is in the good position. Okay. So this is the interface you can see. OLTP connections, enterprise editions, third-party tools, logs, any kind of source case. I gave only small, but a lot of things will be able to connect with the Snowflake. With this data, whatever the output data we are generating in the Snowflake, inside of Snowflake, those outputs we can use in the data science analysis process. Means someone doing data science. For them, our data will be as an input. Tableau, Power BI people. For them also our data will be as an input. In my project, Power BI is using my Snowflake tables data on like that. So our Snowflake will work as a source part and consumer. It will work as a source for the BI tools, consumer for the source tools. So it will work as a both cases. Okay, source and consumer cases. So that's the reason Snowflake has a unique features in the market comparing to other. For example, unique features means time travel concept is there. That is very unique feature. If you go to other technologies, if anyone is working in Teradata, they know this pain. One of my students shared with me. I also, I mean, in that case only I know about this. So the student clearly saying Teradata will create lot of hectic work to take the data backup. Data backup is very hectic in Teradata. The small issue is resolved in Snowflake by using the time travel concept. After learning time travel concept, he compared and he said, really, if with this work I want to do Teradata, means I want to take a lot of people's help and I can do. But here, individually, we are able to do. Literally, the time travel, whatever issues is there, everything it removed and it is giving historical data very easily. Historical data means, guys, who don't know this term, past data. For example, Sai is the name. Then I updated to Sai Sri. So Sai will be my past data, means historical data. So I will keep the Sai Sri same like that only. Without disturbing, I will take my previous data, Sai name as the output. So both historical data you can see, previous current data also you can see. So time travel concept, metallization views, data sharing concept, streams, tasks, like this guys, multiple combinations of topics are there to resolve all our issues. Okay. Same way, then how Saishri, how you will handle this? You are saying just sign up, right? How your business to business requirement will be different. Then how this account will be handled? Yes, I will agree. Business to business requirements will be different. So according to their requirements, they can choose any edition from here. Okay. We have standard edition, which is having very basic features. You don't expect like advanced features here. Very basic features you can see here. So with these basic features, we can achieve the we can complete the limited requirements. But if you go with enterprise, means standard plus, here is the right standard plus. So with the standard plus, you again enterprise edition is taking all the features of the standard plus and additional features. What is that? Multi-clustering concept, time travel, and data sharing, metallization view, dynamic data masking, search optimization, external data. So a lot of things. Whatever advanced thing, advanced concepts required, which is missing in standard, that is added here. Again, this if you want, this is normal data. This is normal e-commerce data. No problem. We can handle with enterprise. But if it is a banking sector related data will be very crucial, right? The importance of banking data will be lot comparing to normal data. So here you want to handle the data very carefully. In that case, you will get the business critical. So whatever the features added in enterprise, all will be included here also. Plus extra security features added in the business critical. That doesn't mean enterprise standard don't have security, guys. They in that editions also we have security, but more security they are providing on data level. For that, business critical. And finally, no, we required our own VPS, private Snowflake and virtual warehouses means then business critical plus extra dedicated, very separate. Okay. For example, and that company, only for that company, the Snowflake will design the separate virtual warehouse like that, dedicated metadata storage like that. Entire things will be different. We can take with the VPS, but I didn't see projects on this combination, guys. Till now, I worked with the business critical and enterprise, these two combinations, and I mean this kind of accounts only. Okay, so this knowledge is enough for you also. No need to worry. So they are providing some additions to you. You have to choose which addition is required. Means that doesn't mean every employee will create their own account. Our customer only, our client will create one account. We will add as a users. That's it. So you no need to do anything from your side. Okay. Just you will add as a user. From there, you will start working on the data. So I'll give all the answers at the end, guys. I'm getting chat messages. If any questions you have, just allow me for some time. So how Snowflake is different means, see, again I said, right, single place for data. If you give raw data in the same place, in same account, it will give final output. So single place for entire information, raw or staging data or the conformed data. Any data we will get in a single place. And scale and concurrency. I mentioned, right, scale up, scale out. The resource management will happen here. Zero management. We no need to do any admin works here much. Already cloud service layer is doing admin work. We have 3 layers in Snowflake: cloud service layer, compute layer, and storage layer. So in these 3 services, cloud service layer will handle the management, whatever the account related privacy, security, metadata management, whatever requirement is there, maximum cloud service layer will manage. Okay, and we have instant data sharing concept also. So data sharing will help to share the data. Like this, guys, lot of features is there. I said only few actually. So much things are there, features are there to cover all our requirements. And here I'm covering some slides for your understanding purpose. Yeah. If you compare with Redshift, okay, if you compare the concepts with Redshift, Redshift is also one kind of cloud only, right? In AWS, Redshift is available. So many people know this. Inside of AWS, Redshift is a service to work with the data warehouse concepts. Still, why people are coming with Snowflake? Redshift is also cloud, right? Because Redshift is only handling with the AWS combination. But Snowflake, you can handle with AWS, Azure, GCP. Any combination you can try with Snowflake. That is the benefit with Redshift, guys. You'll see a lot of differences with Redshift and Snowflake. Okay. So in that, we'll have like compute and storage layer. This compute and storage layer is separate for the Snowflake, which is combined. In Redshift is the combined, means bundled resource. Okay. And in Redshift, no separation of workloads. But in Snowflake, we have workload separation. And Snowflake can handle the semi-structured data, which is not happened in Redshift. Performance-wise, scaling, scale out, like this, lot of differences we have in the, drawbacks we have in the Redshift that is covered by the Snowflake. That is the reason people who is working with Redshift already started migration in the to the Snowflake. Okay. In the same way, just a minute, let me take a messages here. Only one question. Okay, fine. Teradata. Teradata also it's a famous only. I mean, many people know it's a familiar only. This also is tightly connected with compute and storage layer. So it cannot work separately, which is work in Snowflake. It's a separate layer, compute and storage. This is in Snowflake, in Teradata, it's a combined linked services. Even in Teradata, we will struggle to handle the semi-structured data. And in Snowflake, it's very easy to handle the semi-structured data, like multiple products handling and all this performance-wise, whatever the issues we are facing, that all we can resolve in the Snowflake. So compare in internet also you can check. Comparing to Redshift, Teradata, Snowflake is the best in the market. Okay. So advantages means just I provided a few advantages, guys. So what is the main advantage of Snowflake means? First of all, it is providing the clusters and storage layers separately. Because of the separate clusters, workload is very easy to handle in the Snowflake. That is the main benefit. Okay. And unlimited queries. There is no limited here. Unlimited queries it is providing. comparing to other technologies. There is no limitation based on requirement. Automatically it provides, and high performance we have, and quick scale up, scale out. All these benefits are there in the Snowflake. Not only that, automatic database management. Suppose today data increased, automatically size will be increased. Suppose data is decreased, automatically size will be adjusted. All this is available in the Snowflake. So no need to disturb anything. Automatically resources will increase and decrease in the Snowflake. So cost management, high availability of database, compute layer, this all available in the Snowflake. And finally, Snowflake is working purely on the SQL base, because by default the Snowflake is built on the SQL only. Okay, base is SQL only. That's the reason you no need to worry. Maybe in future they will use Python or Java, JavaScript. Nothing is possible here. We can use Python also, no problem. It will support. But actually, SQL is the native. Means very first, Snowflake itself built on the SQL only. That's the reason it is clearly saying SQL is very important for Snowflake. No need to worry about other languages. Okay. So yeah, fine. Someone asked me, what is Snowflake is OLTP or OLAP? Snowflake is OLAP, guys. Okay, because OL, many people don't know what is OLAP and OLTP. OLTP, OLAP. Here, OLTP means real-time data, right? Online transaction data, online analytics data. Okay, so OLAP is the Snowflake, because Snowflake will get the near to real-time data. For example, MySQL server, all that will get as a real-time data, but Snowflake will get near to real-time data. Okay, some seconds gap at least we will see to the real-time data and Snowflake data. So it will be near to real-time data. It's purely OLAP concept, and we will call it as a data warehouse technology also, cloud data warehouse. Okay. Okay. Let me unmute. Now you can fire all your questions, guys. I want to give more time for your questions only. Yeah, tell me. Any question. You can unmute yourself and you can speak.
Yeah, hi, Sai Sri.
Hi,
So, good
hi.
evening. Yeah. So, as you mentioned, OLTP and OLAP, I understood the concept, but can you say like where is the OLTP data is stored basically? Like
MySQL
in
server is one
yeah,
example.
yeah.
In my real-time pipeline only, actually
Okay.
data used to get into MySQL server. From there to Snowflake, from there to Power BI. Starting of my career, I worked with this pipeline only. So MySQL server, we can connect with Snowflake by using some connectors. We have connectors actually. Automatically whatever the data is there, I mean, whenever business happens, for example, phone pay is there, you'll pay some amount for someone, or you will get some amount from someone, something transaction will happen immediately. If you check your phone pay, the total amount changes will be there or not, immediately will be there
Yeah,
without
yeah.
any time gap. That is real
Yeah.
time. That is 100% real time. In other applications, it will say it will take time to update. For example, uh, any normal application, don't go with this amount related, normal websites, normal applications. It will take some time to update that information. That is near to real time. It's real time changes will have some gap. So that kind of information, real time information, always will update to database, from database to data warehouse to report, because our concept is data warehouse, right? We don't
Yes,
expect
yes.
that.
So, if
So double
Snowflake is a OLAP system, then it's handle only base data, right? Instead of streaming data.
any data you can go with streaming data also, it will accept streaming data, batch
Okay.
data, database related data,
But for
anything.
streaming data, like how it's possible? Like
If you use the pipe, snow pipe concept, for
oh,
example,
Snowpipe. Okay, okay.
anything.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
mean,
yeah. I
that
know.
is one
Yeah.
example. But snow
Okay.
pipe, Kafka, people will say Kafka. I heard that, I didn't see that pipeline, but Kafka is also handle the streaming data only. So any combination of streaming concepts, it will handle. No worries on that.
Yeah, Snowpipe mainly it's used
Yeah,
for
it's a
loading incremental data, right?
yes, yes, a streaming.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
we will call it streaming pipeline also. It's
To
the
to capture
immediately.
the CDC changes. Yes, yes.
Ah,
Oh, yeah. Yeah, thanks, thanks.
yeah.
Yeah, understood. Okay.
Thank you. Others? Someone posted a question. Why you have created a table because warehouse means already existing table with it. No. Since you are saying warehouse is already existing table. See, in go with any technology, already tables never existed in warehouse. We have to create the tables and we have to load the data from our source system. Okay, that is the process. Maybe I think you went through the warehouse concept, warehouse technology, which is already table exists. But if you go with Teradata or Informatica, not only Snowflake, Redshift, anything you can check. Always we have to create the table. We have to design our table as per requirements, as per source file, and we will load the data. This is the standard process will happen in market. And AWS using Snowpipe. Why Azure using ADF? Using ADF or using Azure or using AWS, then we can create the Snowpipe. Both combinations, even GCP, AWS, Azure, GCP. With these three, any cloud provider you can use and you can create the Snowpipe. Why I am using Azure with the ADF for my pipelines means this is the trending one. Okay, ADF will be more faster. Snowpipe also faster only. But if you get huge data, ADF will work a lot. That's the reason this is the trending in the market to catch the trend, because employees always should be to follow the trend, right? So according to the trending, I'm following it here ADF. You can go with Azure with Snowpipe, no problem. That is not a big problem. But if you know ADF, it will be add on to your profile. That's the meaning. Okay, that's my interest to add this. How much SQL is needed and what topic? Topic wise, joins, where conditions, filter conditions. This concept will be there, right? Intermediate SQL, if you are good, that's enough for the Snowflake project. That knowledge is enough. Guys, frankly, if I speak, if you don't know any SQL query related any issue, you don't know how to build the query, everyone will use Google. Okay, SQL is unlimited. We don't have any limitations. Only this concept is enough to understand. Not like that. Generally, intermediate level, if you are good, it will be easy to crack the interview. In real time, if you get any issues, you can search in the Google for the query. Whatever SQL queries is there, everything will support in Snowflake environment also. No need to worry. 95% it will support. 5% maybe few concepts won't support. Okay. So next question, data analytics also do transformation. So why we have to transform? What kind of transform? Data analyst. See, data analyst is nothing but it's a position. I think that is not technology. Data analyst is a position. Data engineer or data analyst, all that are positions in the company, right? Like HR, how position? This is also position. So I think that question is not correct. I think so. Let me know. Correct the question and let me know. Thank you, Sin. And coming to Malleshwari, is Snowflake supported by cloud provider? 100% Malleshwari. AWS, Azure, GCP or cloud providers. Every cloud provider it will support. Very easy to build a pipeline also. It will support. How can you compare with the on-premises? On-premise of Oracle is purely it's a traditional base. Just now I explained you traditional combination, right? My first slide. Totally it's a traditional. If you compare lot of differences, we will see. Mainly servers management, data store management, sharing concept, infrastructure management. Please be unmute. Please. Unmute yourself. Sorry. Anket, I think so. Please mute yourself. So if you compare with so many concepts, Oracle, comparing to Oracle, Snowflake is the best right in market. Okay. Oracle with the same question. Oracle and Snowflake differences means just you have to refer my slide this slide. That is enough. Almost I explained this only, but traditional versus cloud. Okay. So thank you, Malleshwari. Others, any questions? You can ask related to your career. I cannot explain deeply about your career change. Little bit idea I can give right now because this is common to all the people, right? You can ask any questions related to your profile. Like ADF, can we use AWS Glue as a ETL for AWS related projects with Snowflake?
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, tell me.
You have mentioned Snowpipe and ADF, right? Snowpipe is means continuous loading, correct?
Right.
In ADF also is same scenario.
ADF will be trigger as a schedule basis. in my project, I am saying every day 7 p.m. IST we scheduled. Okay, whatever the files are waiting in the blob, automatically at 7 o'clock it will trigger and it will run. No, SaiSri should be continuous, means every minute I have to set up. But actually, that's not right plan. They're wasting our resources.
So the
So in
data
that
is
case,
stored
which one
in.
is best for cost-wise, Snowpipe or ADF?
ADF, I mean, Snowpipe is also best. If they are using AWS, then better to go with Snowpipe only. If they are using Azure account, I will prefer ADF only. More faster. I mean, I feel like ADF will be best thing.
So Azure and AWS both we can use Snowpipe, correct?
GCP also you can use Snowpipe. Generally, I don't know, like not only now, from long time, this is the combination. Azure means people will go directly with, I also went with the Snowpipe only, Azure with Snowpipe only. But when requirement keep on changes, we decided to touch the ADF. I have knowledge on that, so I used in my project also. I feel like best thing what I done. AWS means automatical Snowpipe only we will prefer. That is like fixed combination, you can say, in projects.
Okay, thank you.
That again, decision is not taken by us actually. Our client have to say yes for this.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. If I know the ADF, I mean, if I know ADF really, saying like I will do with ADF only, I am pro with that, means they won't agree. Their interest we have to follow. Could you elaborate ADF? ADF is nothing but Azure Data Factory, that is the service which is available in Snowflake. And purpose of ADF is nothing but mainly for copying the data. We can do transformations also, but in any project you are going with Azure with Snowflake, we never perform any transformations. You'll understand in future why we won't perform. I'll explain you that. But generally, it will help mainly in Snowflake combination. ADF will be used for copy activity, but mainly for copying data from blob storage to Snowflake. We will use ADF. Okay. Sham, how many classes for each topic means? Like that, I cannot say. Snowflake, DBT, Azure, ADF, end-to-end, I am going to deal, right? So, on average, 45 classes we are expecting. Depends. More classes will be for Snowflake only because more topics are there. DBT 1 week plus means minimum 10 days. 10 days, within 10 days, there will be chance to take. Azure also only copy activity, 3 to 4 classes. Depends on your questions. Maybe I will increase the classes also. AWS, as usual, in Snowflake only, I'll include AWS. So 45 classes. Okay. If any topic people are not understanding, I will retakes the same class. So there's no guarantee this many classes will happen. More classes for Snowflake only. Because DBT have only less topics. We know it required like 1 month classes for DBT. Very less topics are there. Yeah.
Hello, Sai. Hello, Sai.
Hello. Hi. Lakshmi,
yeah,
hi.
Lakshmi, yeah. Actually, I am working in testing domain. Okay. How can I move my career to Snowflake?
Easy, Lakshmi. For you, it is very easy because if you look back to lockdown time, more testing people move to Snowflake.
But they will be expecting some experience. No, how can I move my profile? Because I have completely manual testing. I'm not sure how I.
Know SQL. Generally, I'm saying SQL. You are already good with SQL because testing people will have that knowledge.
Yes.
Then Snowflake, what topics required, how to use, I will explain. Right? I'll show my real-time screen also, my real-time project screen. With that, if you do correct practice on regular basis, if you do practice, 100% you can crack the job because already you know how to speak with some technical people with the technical terms. You have that exposure, right? Exposure. So just 50% is completed. Only 50% you have to take care about the new topics. That's it. Don't think your profile is easy to move. Finally, your practice. That's it. Yeah.
No, maybe the new project. Not aware of the deployment related things. No.
Here we don't do any deployments actually. DBT have deployment. I'll show you. Very easy to do deployment. With Git repository, I will do deployment. Very easy. Actually, you no need to take much headache also. Snowflake, we don't have any deployment concept. This is little bit differently we will handle. So,
Okay.
and every project we won't do deployments. Different style they will follow. So you no need to worry on that. Maximum how my profile is there, I will replicate your profile like that. Simple. But
In that case, I should showcase like or I can say with the fresher in the
no.
Snowflake.
You have to say how many years of experience you have minimum, right?
10 plus years I have.
So yeah, you can say I'm working as a data testing, but I changed it to Snowflake from past 3 years I'm working. You can keep without any doubt 3 years on Snowflake. 1 year for Snowflake you will keep. One and a half year. One and a half year. Remaining time you will keep Snowflake with the DBT. Because DBT came in 2022 end December time I heard about this DBT. We done POC. 23 little bit people started working, not much famous also. 24 people started a lot with DBT. So you cannot say 5 years in DBT. Just one plus, that's it.
Is it manageable if you're saying
100? See, it's manageable. That's the reason that my old students are not coming for support, work support. That is the proof. Almost I'm continuously like I think so many more than 1,000 people. Maybe I think I counted. This is the 11th batch.
Okay.
Minimum not 1,000. Maybe I will cross a minimum 500 people. I think so. 11th batch, right? And before also I have experience on training. This is not new for me. Yeah.
Okay.
With that experience, I'm saying. But your practice is very important. My classes is 50%. Your practice will cover remaining 50%. The way how you are speaking, the way how you are expressing your technical terms in interview, how you are handling, that is 50% is important. They should feel you already have experience in Snowflake. So that is important.
Got it. Okay.
Thank you.
Hi, Sai. It's Ashish.
Hi.
I joined a bit late, but so in DBT, what exactly do you use? Is it a RAG? Because I have heard about DBT, but what language does it use? Does it use Python?
SQL, pure SQL. But some syntax we have to follow. The syntax anyway I will explain that we will call as a Jinja here, technically term Jinja. Pure SQL you will run here. If you that SQL query will work in Snowflake platform also. Same SQL you can copy paste in the DBT. So pure.
For how will we be doing the hands-on for DBT?
Yeah, I will show everything hands-on only. DBT every topic.
Okay, no, I get the idea. Topic. So I'm
your voice is breaking.
How are we going to do the deep?
You have free trial account here. Okay. How I am doing in real time? The same way I will show you how to connect Snowflake with the DBT, and I'll ask you to practice like that only. Same like real-time screen only.
Got the idea. Okay. Thank you.
There is no screen-wise also there is no difference, guys. We have 14 days trial for team. Individually for solo developer, lifelong we have access for DBT account. No need to worry.
Got the idea. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Ashish. Someone did. Sorry. Divya, I think so. I need to talk with you personally, Divya Sri, because you are asking about different question. Please connect with me personally, okay? I can answer you very clearly. What provider have more asset deployments? No, we won't do any Snowflake deployments here. This is different, okay? See, instead of copying the files from blob, can we directly connect with the data sources using ADF? No, we cannot connect like that. First, ADF will collect the data from some source and will keep in the blob to Snowflake. These connections only will happen, Pratyusha. Okay, directly connections, it's not possible. It's not safe to do also. Team, our client won't accept this pipeline.
SaiSri, like the data that is stored in blob storage, instead of, can we use like Delta Lake?
You can use
because of hierarchical namespace.
Yeah, you can use, but real time, I didn't see that kind of pipelines, but you can use.
Okay, but I think
Yeah.
because for Databricks and PySpark developer, they use only Delta Lakes, right? For
Yeah.
in
PySpark,
Snowflake,
so
yeah.
Databricks is totally working with the Spark combination base,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
We
Yes.
cannot compare, both are different, but
Yeah,
anyway, both.
obviously, yeah.
Uh,
Most of these tool are retail tools. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, I'm
yeah.
working data
But
engineer. Yeah.
the combination with data like always will be Databricks. I heard about this combinations. I also worked with Databricks only very
Yeah,
long
yeah.
back. But
Uh,
Snowflake will go with always blob only, no data lake.
uh,
Yeah.
yeah, okay. Yeah, thanks.
Maybe
And
many
another
reasons
doubt,
will be
like, yeah,
there.
yeah. Yes, yes. Yeah, for data orchestration, like we use to create the DAG dependency, like for creating the pipelines, we use Airflow, right? So for Snowflake, like how we do that, creating, how we create the data pipelines exactly?
No, Airflow you are saying, right? That is purely
Uh-huh.
scheduling part. Actually, Airflow
Oh,
won't do
okay.
anything. It will trigger the jobs only, like alarm. Simple. So in Snowflake also we can go with Airflow
No, that
scheduler.
is I understood, but yeah, means data orchestration means like what? You are connecting the
It's a
parent
kind
and
of
child
scheduler.
dependency.
Yeah. Finally,
Maybe
it's a
you can
schedule.
say, yeah, say Databricks, Snowflake, they are also scheduling those jobs, right?
That's it.
But
Snowflake.
with the help of data flow, they are using creating the pipelines, right? In ADF. Okay, but in Snowflake, how pipeline is created? Like, can you please say that is
Pipeline
using
means
DBT or what?
no,
Pipeline?
not the
Okay.
pipeline means first of all connecting source to Snowflake, Snowflake to some other external and external something, some X2 BI tools. This all entire process we
Oh,
will
this
call
is
as a
your pipeline,
pipeline.
right?
Like this
Oh,
entire thing is pipeline here. No
okay,
specific
okay.
part in Snowflake.
Yeah. So yeah,
Uh,
because every technology are different. Yeah, because
ah,
I'm working in Databricks Spice per so our is
oh,
different architecture. Yeah.
no. That is different. PySpark database.
Yeah,
Before
that's
that,
why I was trying to learn Snowflake. Yeah, we'll
yeah.
go. Yeah, thanks.
Even I also came from big data only. I felt very tough with the technology. Whenever my experience is increasing, my toughness of job is increasing. So immediately
Yeah,
I
for
changed
sure.
it to Snowflake. Okay.
Yeah, but
Okay, fine.
yeah, I'm liking those Databricks Spice per. Yeah, but I
And now
stayed
you
like
are in. No, when I'm working, it's a bit manual work actually. If anything
yeah,
servers down, something we used to do manually. Now a lot of changes happen in those technologies.
correct, yes.
Hadoop is manual work, right? Here we are not doing directly. You are
Uh,
working with Databricks. You are using cloud platform. My case, it's a manual work actually. That's the reason
yeah,
toughness is there. Snowflake,
yeah.
Monica, Snowflake with the data, sorry, Databricks in Snowflake, that is not possible. Databricks is different, Snowflake is different, okay? We won't work with this combination only, okay?
Yeah, because in YouTube, there's people are combining Databricks Snowflake. That's why people are getting confused.
They won't use.
Yeah.
My
Yeah, I
case,
see. One
obviously.
YouTuber is working in product-based company. He's telling that we can implement Databricks in Snowflake. So how is that possible? I don't know.
I know connector is available to implement. Also, we
Yeah,
need
it's no
connectors,
connector.
right?
Yeah, yes.
But Snowpark is there, newly arrived. Snowpark added newly. Newly means almost 2 years it's completing, I think so. But still, it is under development only, I can say. There, how you are using in Databricks, how you are doing PySpark, like that. In Snowpark also, you can work with the PySpark code. Actually,
PySpark code, correct,
yeah,
correct.
ML
Yeah,
and
but that
AI
is
people.
in development phase also.
Yeah. For
Maybe that
ML,
AI can do also.
ML and AI people need to go with that process. Actually, pure
Correct.
Snowflake developers, we don't want that flow only. Many people will ask, you are going with Snowpark. There is no use of Snowpark only. If you say,
Correct.
I know Snowpark, you have to say clear information, right? Where you are using Snowpark in your project. If you're not able to answer that question,
Then
this
yeah, you
your profile is
first
fake. Your
first round
profile is fake.
rejected. Yeah.
Obviously. Fake profile.
Yeah.
I have another
Yeah,
question.
that's why like for SQL people, it's very good to go with Snowflake.
Yeah. Who don't know SQL also easy only because my training will take almost
No,
2 months, right?
SQL, no, people are saying easy. Industry working means yeah, many things there.
Yeah. Generally, who I am taking 2 months to complete my course, right? Between
Yeah.
that, really person is spending half an hour to 1 hour on SQL. He will be pro comparing to working people, but they have to spend. That is important.
So if you do select start from customer type, then it's easy.
No. A lot of resources available in market, right? Learning is just in our hand.
Yes.
Sham, you are asking end-to-end project. I will show you two pipelines, AWS combination and Azure combination pipelines, end-to-end combinations. Okay, I'll take care about project also. No need to worry. I hope I completed all the questions. Let's be connected. Sorry guys, if I missed any question, let me know. Divyashree, connect with the admin team. They will help you to connect with me. Okay. What is purpose? Almost I completed all the course. Okay, okay. Data analyst or do transformation on data. Why we need to do transformation? Here, why we need to do transformation is actually they are giving just raw data. Companies are not sales data is there. Sales, how many sales happen? How many products are there in our company, for example. Okay, from which country they are purchasing, which state, which area, which location, what kind of gender, what kind of age. Like this, multiple informations will be divided into different tables. Okay, if you go with the tables, you may not understand exact information of that product, how many people are using, which age category, which gender is using, which place, which location more people are what will say ordered this product. That information you may not know. But if you do joint combination with some more SQL requirement statements, automatically you will get one product related information end to end with profits and with loss, everything. That is called transformations. Okay, so we have to do transformations. Inside of Snowflake, we are doing transformations. Okay, you cannot expect like difference between transformation and versus Snowflake developer. Sorry, DA means data analyst and Snowflake developer. Actually, in market, we will for Snowflake developers, for data analytics or data engineer or Snowflake developer, cloud engineer, this all will come under Snowflake developer position also. Okay, this is a technical, what you say, title for the employee. That's it. So don't compare with both. If data analyst means not only Snowflake, other technologies also will come. Data engineer means big data people, Databricks people, general I'm saying. Snowflake people like this, all people will come. Snowflake developer means only Snowflake technology will come. But we can apply for all this kind of titles if our Snowflake technology is available in JD. Okay? Maybe still if you have confusion, just connect with me personally. I'll give more information. Okay, fine.
Like, how can we connect with you?
You have to check with the admin team only.
Sure. Yeah, thanks. Okay? Yeah.
So, others, any questions, guys? I'm giving more time for questions because how much I explained, also your own questions will be there. So I want to sort out that first. Okay. I give very short demo. My team will give information when will be the next class. In that class, I'll show you my Snowflake account also. Okay. End to end, I'll show you. So please attend continuously 2 to 3 classes, then decide my training is worth or not. Okay. With one demo, don't decide because no trainer can elaborate everything in one class. That's the reason I'm saying. Minimum. Sorry. Any questions, Karthik? You can take from here if they don't have any questions. No problem.
Thanks. I'll be taking from here.
Yeah.
So I hope like everyone cleared your doubts, right? So if you still have any doubts, like you can like just unmute yourself and you can ask me, please. If you have any doubts regarding the registrations or regarding the classes or regarding the technical terms, anything, if you have any doubts, you can just like unmute yourself and you can ask me. Or else like if you're unable to unmute, You can just like text me in the chat also. So hope everyone can see my screen, right? I hope everyone can see my screen, right? Yeah, I got few questions. How can you connect to Sai Sri personally? Yeah, Divya, you can just like drop your phone number in the chat box. Okay, my team will call you and they will connect with you to a trainer. No, not a problem. Shivam, can you tell me about placements and class timings? Yes, the class timings and the placement assistance, everything I'll explain now. Do we have any offline classes as well? Vijay Varlakshmi. Sorry, Varlakshmi, like we don't have any offline classes now. Okay. So from the last 4 years onwards, like we are taking only online classes. See, like you cannot expect like any real-time trainer in offline because offline the mostly the trainers, see, I can say not even 99%, 100% the trainers will be the full-time trainers. Okay, how they'll be taking the classes like morning one batch, afternoon one batch, evening one batch, and like after 8 p.m. also one batch they'll take. Okay, in that way they'll be doing. Okay, so if something into the market comes up, suppose like today like something a new thing was introduced. Okay, so if Sai Sri is already working in the company, then she'll be able to know about that. Okay, see, suppose Sai Sri learned something new today in today's office. What she can do, she can deliver that thing by that AOD or else in the next day. Correct? So, but if you go to the offline classes, like what happens is, okay, so once some new thing comes to the market, okay, so to reach that technology or that option or some kind of like a tool to the offline trainers, it will take at least a 45 days to 3 months. Okay. So that is the reason why, see, even before 2019, we can say that there is no real-time trainers, only the offline trainers are available at that time. Okay. The people who are giving these offline trainings, these people are fully into the trainings only. They are not working anywhere. They'll be doing only full-time trainings itself. But now we have an opportunity to learn from a real-time trainer, someone who is working in a company. Okay. So this is the benefit of online training. Okay. So hope you understand. If you still have any questions, you can give me a call. Yeah, how much is the session? Do you have system admin for cloud trainings? Yeah, Duriya, right? So Duriya garu, just call us personally, okay, so that like we can help you on these like cloud trainings as well, not a problem. Yes, so let me start the registration process and how it will be like I'm coming to the details and all. I'll just like explain you now. See, the course name is, I'll just like zoom it out. Yeah, I hope everyone can see my screen clearly now. Okay, so the course name is Snowflake DBT and ADF. Okay, so this course duration is 50 plus days, 50 to 55 days the course duration is, and you are going to get 70 plus hours of training. Okay, you are going to get 70 plus hours of training, and the timings are, okay, the morning batch timings are like 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST, and the evening batch is 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. IST. Okay, now the batch which is starting this 26th May, this is the evening batch. Okay, this batch is starting from 26th May. Okay, so today is 20th May, Tuesday, 26th May, Monday. Okay, from Monday, like we are starting the classes for this new batch, and the batch number is 11. Batch number is 11. Okay, so now the morning batch. Okay, morning batch is also recently started. Morning batch is also recently started. If you still want to join the morning batch, yes, I can help you with. Recently started. Okay, so even if you want to cope up with the morning batch also, I can give the complete guidance to you how to cope up with the morning batch also. Okay, but the upcoming batch is starting from evening batch, that is starting from 26th of May, and the class timings will be 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. IST. Okay, and the course price is 15,000 rupees. Okay, the course price is 15,000 rupees. In this training, we are going to cover like one real-time project, complete end-to-end real-time training, real-time project, interview questions, resume preparation, everything will be given. Okay, and each and every session we are going to record and we are going to provide you. Okay, so every session is lifetime available for you. Okay, so the videos will be uploaded to our website rajinformatica.com. So in that website, you are going to create an account with your Gmail ID. From that Gmail ID, you are going to log in anytime and you can watch the recordings lifetime. No need to worry about that. Okay, the batch is starting on 26th of May. For the registrations, you can contact us at 810-529-6858. You will get this number as Raj Informatica. Raj Informatica. Okay, and like we have other number as well, that is a 63616381108, and you will get this number as a Megha RajCloudTech. Okay, so do you provide placement assistance in other countries as well? Yeah, Divya Garu, so just like hold on. At the end, I'm going to answer you about the question as well. Okay, I have shared these registration numbers as well. Okay, if you want to connect with us, take a screenshot or like copy the numbers. Okay, so that like you can contact us after the session. You can call us in between 8 a.m. to, you can call us in between 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Okay, so all the team will be available from morning 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. so that like you can contact us at any time. Okay, and we accept all the payment modes. We accept UPI, bank transfer, net banking, credit card, debit card, PayPal, and Remitly. So all the transaction modes like we accept. So if you want to go through the UPI mode, okay, I'm sharing the payment details now. So using these payment details, you can make the payment. Okay, so as we informed earlier, so there is a complimentary course is also available for you. So whoever enrolling now for the Snowflake classes, okay, you are also going to get Oracle SQL training as well. This is a completely free. Okay, so this is a complimentary training for you, and in this training you have 10 videos, 15 plus hours of content will be given to you. This is a completely free of cost. Okay, so if you don't have any knowledge on Oracle SQL, you can enroll bit early and you can complete this Oracle SQL practice. We will provide the software, videos, material, data to practice, everything we are going to provide you. Okay, so no need to worry about that. So enroll bit early and complete this Oracle SQL training as well. And it will make you more easy to understand Snowflake classes. Okay, once you are good at Oracle topics, so it will make you more easier in understanding of the Snowflake classes. Okay, so these are the topics. Okay, so whatever the 15 hours of training will be given to you. So in these 15 hours, so you are going to learn all these topics. Okay, all these topics you are going to learn. Clear? So if still anyone have not provided your contact number or your WhatsApp number, okay, so please share us in the chat box. Please share us in the chat box so that you'll get the like WhatsApp group link and you also get the session recording as well. Okay, now coming to the offer. As I said you, there is some special offer is available for you. Okay, now coming to the offer. So the course price is 15,000 rupees, right? So if someone who pay today, okay, so I'm mentioning you very clearly that only today. The offer is only today. If you come up tomorrow, I cannot help you. Okay, so today's offer is if you enroll today, the course price is just 13,500 rupees. You are going to get a discount of 1,500 rupees. Okay, so discount of 1,500 rupees. So your price will be just course price will be just 13,500 rupees if you go for single installment. So if you complete your complete fee in a single installment, okay, so you're going to get a discount of 1,500 rupees. Okay, so and you are going to we are going to provide you, Oracle plus SQL classes, and we are also going to provide you Snowflake first 10 classes. Okay, so you are going to get the benefits of Snowflake first 10 classes. Okay, so if you pay today and if you can enroll now, so you're going to get a discount of 1,500 rupees, and you're also going to get Oracle plus SQL classes and the Snowflake first 10 classes also. You can watch the previous batch first 10 class of Snowflake, and you can gain at least like a 40 to 50% of knowledge by watching the video. And whenever you attend the live session, it will be like very easy for you. Generally, what the people do, okay, the people will join the live session first, and they'll watch the recording multiple times, not even one time. They'll watch 4 times, 5 times, then they'll get the 100% knowledge from that video. But for a change like what you are doing here, we are going to learn by watching the video first, because as we have still time to start the batch, okay, we are going to watch the video first, and we are going to gain, see, I'm saying the worst case, you will get a knowledge of 40% at least. Okay, 40% is the worst case. Okay, so even if you get this 40% knowledge earlier, whenever you are attending the live session, okay, at that time, it will make you more easier to understand, because you know what she is teaching today. Okay, so you know what we are going to practice today before starting the session itself. So it will be very easy for you to understand the live session. Again, like once you're done with the live session, you no need to watch the recording again. You can directly go for the practice and you can do it. Okay, in that way, these two things will help you. Suppose if you want to go for the partial payment today, okay, someone like I cannot make the complete payment today. So if you want to go for some partial payment also, yes, for you people also the discount is available. Okay, discount is available. So your discount will be 1,000 rupees, and your course price will be 14,000 rupees. 14,000 rupees. And this offer is available only today. Okay, this offer is available only today. So if you wanna if you want to register like after today, again the course fee will become 15,000 rupees. Okay, so whoever want to pay 15,000 rupees, you can enroll like whenever you get the time. But if you make your time today, if you want to enroll today, you are going to get this discount and these benefits as well. And whoever pays partial amount, okay, see, if you want to get this 14,000 discount as well, you can just pay 5,000 rupees today, and you can enroll. So you are going to get a discount of 1,000 rupees, and also you are going to get this Oracle SQL classes as well. You will get this Oracle SQL classes also. Okay, so that you can watch these Oracle SQL classes and you can complete it, and you can get ready by 26th to start the Snowflake training. Got it? And the first week schedule. Okay, I'll tell you the schedule as well. So whenever the course starts, the first week, it will be alternative days. It will be alternative days. Weekly we have 3 classes. That is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay, second week. So if the people are, see, why we are going with the alternative days means, so you need some time to create the Snowflake trial accounts, to install the Oracle SQL. Okay, so many things to practice here. Okay, so to manage all these things, so if you can go for the alternative days, it will help you to practice. Even you will get a day for each and every session to practice for the first 3 classes. If still the people are not comfortable, then we'll go for again second week also. We will go for 3 classes only. Okay, but from third week, it will be having 5 classes. Weekly, 5 classes. Monday to Friday. Got it? So the schedule will be like this. If the people are comfortable in the first week only, you are good, like, and you have created your Snowflake trial account and you are already installed this Oracle SQL and you are practicing well, then from the second week itself, we will go with 5 classes. Okay, so hope everyone is clear with all the details, and I have given the complete instructions of the schedule, fees, okay, batch starting date, okay, content, everything, like we have explained you very clearly now. If you have any doubts still in these things, you can ask me. You can ask me. So if you have no questions, I'll just like enter into the placement part now. If you don't have any questions in this, okay, we can enter into placements part now. Yeah, I see no questions asked in the chat and in the meeting as well. Done. Let's get into the placements part. Okay, so even if you are a fresher, even if you are having a 3 years of gap, even if you are working in a non-IT, even if you are working in IT in a different domain, okay, so whatever the scenario it might be, so we are going to help you how to achieve this Snowflake job for you. Okay, so in that way, like, we'll be helping you. So the thing here is, even you don't know like what is Snowflake, this is the first session you are hearing, still we can help you. Okay, no need to worry about that. We will start from complete scratch, like what is data, okay, what is data, what is table, how to create a table. From there we will start what is cloud, what is Snowflake. Okay, so from the complete basics we are going to start this course, so no need to worry about that. Even if you have the complete zero knowledge on this tool also, you no need to worry about that. Got it? Yes. Now coming to the placements and all, see, from the last 4 years, so from last 4 years, so we have placed more than 8,500 plus students on different technologies. And we have a good community of these people as well. Whoever got placed, we have a community of these people. So whoever is having the referrals, they will be sharing with us and we will be sharing with the current batch people. Okay, so you don't need to worry about that. So, and one more thing, like, see, if you are learning the Snowflake training, you no need to depend on any others, because we have a plenty of opportunities in the market right now. Okay, if you just learn the cloud properly, if you just be consistent for just 2 months, okay, so you can get a multiple opportunities, because in the Snowflake and DBT combination, we have a multiple opportunities. Okay, even if you can, after completion of this meeting also, you can just go to the Naukri, Monster, LinkedIn, Indeed, even whatever the like job platforms we have. Okay, so you can check in all the things. We have a very good opportunities right now on complete cloud technologies. Not only I'm saying Snowflake, even on Azure, Informatica Cloud, Snowflake, Salesforce. Okay, so we have a very good opportunities right now. And coming to the particularly cloud, Snowflake and DBT, it is creating more impact in the market right now. Got it? Yes. Any questions in this? So we will make you confident at the end of the course. Okay, because like, even if you don't know like how to answer the tell me about yourself question, how to convert your different domain experience into relevant experience, on each and every question we will help you how to answer in the interview and all. So you don't need to worry about those things. Okay, we will help you from how to answer a tell me about yourself question as well, how to explore your profile, how to like express your profile to trainer in a good manner, and each and every part we will be helping you. The only one thing that we need from you is consistency. If your people are consistency in the course, for sure we will be helping you on all these things. If you just follow these things, it will help you more. So any questions? So I got like one question in the chat box that like, do you people provide a placement assistance in other countries also? Okay, so like I can say that. So if you are from out of India, so you haven't mentioned any country here. So I can say that in across all the world, the Snowflake, like, we have a very good demand right now. Okay, so whatever the resume format you require, yes, we will help you. So in what way you need to explore your profile, in how many years of experience you need to showcase, On each and every part, we will help you. No need to worry about that. Yes, we do provide assistance in other countries as well. Yeah, I got a good question here. Okay, from Likita. Sir, I'm recent 2025 graduate and I'm new to cloud technology. I mean, here about Azure or AWS, all those Snowflake is a part of that, like Azure and AWS. Yes, of course. Yeah. See how Azure, AWS, GCP, IICS, okay, Alibaba, and we have many clouds, okay, in the market. Okay. Among all those clouds, so we have some named clouds. They are like Azure, AWS, Snowflake, Salesforce, these things. Okay. So I can surely say that, okay, if you are a 2025 graduate, if you just like look back to your classes, like how the people are trying, okay, how your classmates are trying, I can surely say that. So these people might be trying for Python full stack, Java full stack, testing, okay, .NET. So might be these technologies they are trying right now, but they are not understanding what is the competition right now in the market for this. Okay, from the last 2 to 3 years, there is no placements. So obviously, the people who passed out in the year 2023, 24, they already learned this Python full stack, Java full stack, testing, .NET, and other tools like how you are planning. They have also already planned and they are already trying in the market right now. If you learn now, if you see, even we are also providing the Python full stack. We are also providing a Java full stack. We are about to start this testing as well. But I'll suggest to the freshers, start with cloud. Any cloud is fine. Okay, even after learning many things. So like if you can just like ask your seniors like who got already placed in different companies, okay, you might ask them. So almost like a more than 50% plus people will be working on the clouds itself. Okay, so if you can start your career with cloud, definitely like within 2 to 3 years you can see a massive growth. Okay, and even if you switch from one cloud to another cloud after 2 to 3 years also, it will give you like a more hike when compared to other people. If you need more guidance, just give us a call so that like me and my team will be available. We can help you on these things. Yeah, I got one more question. I have a 4 years of career gap and I don't have any PF. I don't have any experience that is from the last 4 years. Okay, no issues. Even if you have a complete, see, even if you have the last 4 years, if you haven't worked anywhere, okay, we are here to help you how to get the experience letters, how to showcase your profile on each and everything. We will help you. Okay, no need to worry about those things as well. Just connect us personally, provide more details about your profile, okay, so that like we can help you on these things. I hope all your doubts got cleared, right? Still anyone having doubts? Still anyone having doubts? If you don't have any doubts, at least like mention I'm clear. I'm clear. Can I get in the chat box? I'm clear. Yeah, thank you, Jashwant. Done. Okay. So if you have any questions, as I said, you can contact us on these numbers, like these numbers 8105296858 and 6361638108. These two are our numbers. You can contact us here. Divyashi garu, just like contact me on these numbers. Okay, I'll help you for the further details as well. Okay. Yeah. So before winding the session, once again, I'm saying to subscribe to my channel. So this is Raj Informatica real-time hands-on job-based training. I'm sharing the link again in the chat box. Just subscribe to our channel to get all the updates. Okay, whenever we start the new course, whenever we start the like any kind of like we have uploaded any new videos, you'll get notified. Okay, you can check out here. Yes, Likita, just contact me personally so that I can help you on this thing. So is there any Snowflake admin training is available? So if you are from the starting of the session, okay, so like we are covering both admin and development part in this training, okay, and I can say that like only admin part may not give you the good opportunities right now in the market, okay. As per the market, like if you can learn both admin and development, it will help you. Trust me, it is not that much difficulty, okay. It will be very easy for you, okay. Even the people who have the career gap of 11 years, 10 years, okay, these people also learned this course, okay, and they have achieved like very good package as well, okay. Even just showing a 3 years of experience, so many people got like more than 10 plus LPA, okay. So you don't need to worry about those things. Just go for both admin and development. It will give you more result. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I hope like I have cleared all your doubts. If you have any doubts also, just contact me on this number. Okay. 810-529-6858. Thank you all. Thank you all for joining today's session. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.